Hello techies, welcome back to our channel Dubai Tech Hub. Today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Grenaro wireless microphone. I'm sorry about the brand name, which is a bit hard for me and new for me as well. And the model name is S9. Okay, and in this microphone I have purchased this in Amazon, and I'll give you the product link in the description as well. You can check it out for your reference. The product specification has been mentioned here, that operating frequency will be 24022 to 2480 megahertz, as well as the frequency range will be 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Charging time has been mentioned about 1.5 hours. I will update in the comments how much time it takes actually to make full charging. I'll give you the demo at the end of this video, the audio quality of this mic as well. Okay, let's get into the video now. Okay, actually I bought this mic for my YouTube content creation. Once we unbox the video, we will find the box directly on the top, and let's open the box, take it out. We have a type C receiver. We can connect to any of the Android phones which is having type C port, and we have iPhone connector, also lightning cable connector, so we can connect it to the iPhone also. Apart from this, we have type C cable, which is type A to type C. It's actually a charging cable. Okay, apart from this, we have a user manual. So I hope this user manual will be very helpful for you to understand the working on function of the microphone, because I too get understood with this user manual only. So please go through with the user manual. Okay, apart from this, we have two transmitters. This transmitter, is microphone, has the front side, the status lights and power button. Also on top we have mic. In the bottom we have a charging connector, and back side we have clip also with the magnetic support. Again the same on the another transmitter, we have mic and clip. The clip is very steady. These are the things we are getting in the box. So two transmitters, two receivers. This both the receivers are capable of working individually, so don't worry about that. I also got a confusion, like I also had a doubt about that whether both the transmitters will be working in the receiver. So it's working fine, don't worry about that. So these are the items we'll be getting inside the box. This full video has been recorded with this mic only, so you can see the audio quality of this video. That's it for this video. See you in the another video. Until then, this is Sheikh signing off. Bye techies.